you and Charlie for last night. Fuck egg custard. It was so annoying.
Get the helipad right away.
I was trying to talk to him and Charlie about something. Really seriously. And that's all they were saying.
Egg custard tub?
Over and over again. Egg custard for no reason. It was pissing me off.
You sound so pissed off, man.
It was every time he tried to start talking, he went,
What the fuck?
That's your
That's
telephone.
you.
That's not me.
It's your house phone.
That doesn't sound like my house phone.
No, it's coming from down there.
What the fuck?
Yes,
No, it's your phone.
Is it?
No,
No,
It's you!
I don't use that phone. I don't use the phone anymore. I have a new phone.
I was gonna say, it's coming from over there.
You're like, that's your home phone. I was like, that doesn't sound like my home phone. I've lived here for quite a while. I know what my home phone sounds like.
You must have changed the ringtone, Rob.
We apologise, viewers, for that.
No, we don't. No, we don't.
I apologise.
I have personal business to attend to, so fuck you, viewers.
Exactly.
You fucking ignored it.
Doesn't matter, it's still personal.
Go to the vendor. Do we have any new weapons?
Do you actually need to get that?
Yeah, that's fine.
Quiet. Get the blaster.
I just did.
Blast, blast,
Don't buy
blast.
the ammo. Don't be a noob.
Buy all the ammo.
Don't be a noob. No. Why? Every time.
You're not playing
boxes-
Salvy.
But it's so hard to get bolts in the game.
No, it's not. I just got 2,500 again. Noob.
The Rhino is expensive.
Oh, look at that quad.
Did this Eddie kid just mock me?
Yeah.
He just mocked me.
Dude, I'm in a trolly mood. I'll troll everyone.
Please don't troll.
I'll troll you viewers.
I can't handle
No,
it.
did the lamppost break?
Yeah. No, it's in the later games. Yeah, they do.
You just hit the wrong thing.
Okay, hold on. Eddie, look at that scenery for a bit. For PS2, that is pretty nice.
Eddie, I have the urge to destroy stuff.
It's
Look
just-
at all those people just going about their business. Destroy them.
You can't destroy them.
Do it.
Destroy them.
Use the blaster.
Can you actually shoot them?
I don't know.
Yeah.
Try it.
Oh,
Aim for the closer.
so-
Aim for the closer ones.
So
please.
slow.
Oh, you
Oh, you
actually
did
did
it!
one!
Keep going.
Kill them all!
This
Fuck.
game praises destruction,
Fuck you, citizens!
and they give you free bolts.
Oh, farming technique, guys.
No, Eddie's wasting more bullets in his game.
Yeah.
Kill the big one!
Oh, this is stupid.
Keep
So-
going. Keep going. I feel
He's
you're
gonna
getting
buy
somewhere.
ammo.
Don't buy more. You don't have enough.
Yeah, dude.
Oh, there's new.
Go to that cork bot over there. Chill it out.
I feel he should destroy more cars.
What?
Is it a secret?
I have no idea. No, I just want you to
It does
destroy.
seem like there'd be a skill point related.
Yeah, but I think he might have destroyed me now.
I don't think skill points do anything in this game.
Probably not.
Hey,
What?
cork bot.
Cool.
What?
Welcome to the Captain Quark Fitness Course.
Yeah, he's even got stubble. Look at that.
No, that's a voice.
Oh, right, yeah, that's where the noise comes out of.
Yeah.
What are you doing, Salvy?
Copying the bot before he does the movements.
Good luck.
Good luck.
This is not responsible for sprains, broken bones, snapped tendons, bruised egos, or accidental death incurred by
Don't die.
Bruised egos.
Snap tendons.
That would hurt.
We urgently need your assistance.
Clank,
Yes?
do you notice anything unusual about Captain Quark?
Oh, his eyelids
I
were
find the fact that
kind
he
of
has a
bugging
spring
out
where
there.
his leg should be to be quite puzzling.
And why do you think that is?
Possibly an injury incurred while battling evil?
This isn't the real Captain Quark, you numbskull. It's a robot.
Remember when Numbskull used to be... What the fuck, Eddie? Remember when Numbskull used to be the pinnacle of cussing?
Nope.
No.
Yes. Numbskull, and then it escalated to idiot. And then...
Now we just use fucktard, and that's about normal now.
fucked hard.
No, you have to make variants, otherwise it gets boring. You can call people fuckwidges.
Fuck ridges. My favourite one is Dickwad.
Quad or wad?
Quad.
So
Dick.
a quad dick.
With 4 dicks piled up. Like a Doug trio, but they're all the same, and there's 4 of them. Just in one big mound.
All dog trios are the same.
No, they're not.
Yeah. They're racist, right?
2 of them are always like lower than the middle one.
Ah,
That's
this guy.
oppression. That is oppression.
This
for you.
guy talking about classes. New.
casual racism.
No, you son of a bitch!
Gravity, you bastards.
Because wall jumping seems to defy all the laws of physics, doesn't it?
Wall jumping seems to be a thing. I'm pretty sure you could. Maybe?
Watch Ninja Warrior.
Yeah, but it doesn't work like Ratchet's doing it right now. They'd have to like have both legs. And at one.
What's Ninja Warrior?
Don't talk to us, Will.
Yeah.
What? What's Ninja Warrior?
I don't know. Let's.
What? No! You can't just go, don't talk to us. Like it's some
Yeah,
secret
do you
I
know
should
Takeshi's
know.
Castle, Rob?
I've heard of it.
It's nothing like that.
I just saw a silver bolt. Or a gold bolt.
They're all silver.
Okay,
Where?
I saw a gold bolt then. To your left. Left, down there. And that little...
It's okay. We'll get it later. Eddie can't do anything without a helipack.
It's true.
Yeah, I need to get there with a helipack.
You could make that jump.
No, I couldn't. Not without a helipack.
There's only one way to find out. No, don't do it.
Isn't
I-
that...
I guarantee that I can't make that. Yeah, son of a bitch.
Isn't Olga?
Whoa!
Helga!
I'm pretty sure I should have got it right that time, but apparently not.
See, if this, I bet you this Eddie kid's gonna get to the end. And he's gonna be like, I want him to say it.
What?
Not have enough bolts.
Yeah. Yeah. Don't let this be an I told you so moment.
You don't even need the rhino gun.
Don't let this be an I told you so moment.
Shall we set a goal for ourselves?
No.
Yeah, listen, Rob.
Yeah, listen, Rob.
Labo.
I'm not a lard ball.
We finished the circuit, ma'am.
The amount of times that you've quoted this word for word to me, Salvy, so weird. She's hot. Bruh, don't even look at me like that. You know you want some of that.
No! She'd crush me.
Nah.
She looks a bit different from Abby, just saying.
Abby watches our videos, Rob. Be careful what you say.
Abby, I love you.
Abby, this is your chance. Eat all the pies.
No, don't eat all the pies.
All the pies.
I just kicked my PC.
Your tower.
Tower?
That prize is ours from the captain.
Is it a PC if it doesn't have a monitor?
Mm.
You may have also noticed, Eddie, that it's kind of in a weird...
I knew
setup.
it! He doesn't have enough bolts.
Oh, for the swing shot.
That's fine.
No.
Do you need the swing shot?
Yes.
Or do we need to come back?
Yeah.
Take the cab. Take the cab.
Take a taxi cab. Even though you don't have money, take it anyway.
It's a free cab.
No cab.
They plan for this. It's like if you can't afford the swing shot, you can't afford a cab.
Yes, exactly.
Therefore, you get the economy service. Look, no doors,
No doors, no roof,
just a platform
just a
on
platform.
the shape of a car.
That's fine. I'm a Lombax.
And it only moves from your willpower.
Oh, I can't jump. I was gonna go wee.
You got it. Alright, where do we go now then?
Well,
if you
we're
don't
gonna
mind?
go the other way.
Get a cock. Yeah. Yeah.
Wait, can you destroy him?
Nah.
Try it with the bomb glove or something.
No.
Oh, just please.
Please?
No, I
Please.
don't want to waste
With
ammo,
the bomb glove,
Salvy.
just do it.
I don't want to waste
Eddie,
ammo.
please. I want to see if he
Doesn't
breaks.
waste ammo.
I don't want to waste ammo, Salvy.
Eddie.
I need to get 1,000. Ooh.
No, you can waste ammo. You just don't.
The ultimate response. Just a high-pitched wail.
This dude, he took 6 hits.
What can you possibly do against that sound?
I can do anything. Yeah.
The ultimate argument winner.
Exactly.
Parliament is taking...
Alright, Eddie. When you go back later, please try. Please.
Ooh.
This Eddie
Egg
kid.
custard tart.
Oh,
Fuck you, egg custard tart.
this Eddie kid's so rude.
So rude.
He comes here an hour late. He hasn't had lunch. I give him chicken wings and a monster.
He brings dog poop into my house.
He brings dog food.
Yeah,
And then
into
Salvy
I step in it, clean it up just before Rob's dad comes in, and he's like,
Yeah, sorry about that. I was saying sorry about the dog crap.
and I realised.
Oh,
Huh? I already cleaned it.
oh, there you go. My mate Salvy cleaned it for us.
It's like, just as I finish and put it in the bins, like, in comes your dad. It's like, yes, perfect timing.
He can do it with his foot. Kill him! He's not very active, is he?
Bruh.
He took less hits than the other guy.
He's good at his job.
You have enough money for the swing shot.
Oh god, my throat.
You're not going to go back to the swing shot, right?
Yeah.
Do it.
It's a swing shot, dude.
Swing shot. I want to do the thing.
It's
No.
attracting core.
No.
No. What if I don't have enough money, Salvy?
Yeah.
Alright, fine, I forgive you. You can use all the money you want. Just try and destroy him. I want to see if he breaks.
No, I won't be able to run around.
Give me those chicken wings back.
Sorry, I'll try and destroy him. It won't work though.
Yeah.
I guarantee that he won't break.
Okay, fine.
I had a weird image of Salvy as Eddie as an owl regurgitating those chicken bones.
Yeah, I didn't eat the bones.
Regurgitating the chicken then. The fact of the matter is, Eddie, in my mind just now you're an owl. A really
the
weird
cab's
owl.
out there.
Yeah. Cab stays here.
What does it teach you in the end of the fitness course? What a shit fitness course.
Why are you crouching? You're not holding the...
Because he doesn't want to fall off.
No, Eddie was cracking his fingers. I was wondering what was pressing the crouch button. And
The
then I realised the thing was in his crotch.
left
And I was
trigger.
like, oh.
The left trigger was
He rested
stuck
his
to my
penis on
crotch.
it. Yeah, I realised.
Why does a robot need sweatpants?
Sweet.
Why does the robot need clothes?
Uses stuff like
So
this all
fashion
the
fit.
time.
I'm going to take a picture of you, Eddie. I'm going to stick it on here of what you're doing whenever I look over at you. Because it's odd. It's really odd.
Trust me, he is wearing clothes though. It's okay, guys.
I don't know what this Rob kid's talking about.
I didn't even feel like that.
What the?
GG.
Why didn't I held down B and it let go? Ryan.
It's circle.
You see Brian?
I meant circle. It's B on an Xbox controller.
I
shut
know.
up.
I've been playing on an Xbox for so long and I still call it B. I still call it circle, triangle, and whatnot.
I haven't played console in years. I just
Yeah.
call it right mouse click and left mouse click.
By the way,
There
sorry,
are more than two
sorry he
buttons
didn't
here.
break. By the way,
It's okay. I'll just replace that ammo.
Are you super anal about stuff like that?
Yeah.
about having full ammo.
Yeah.
Ah, see,
I'm the same, Eddie, but not to that extent.
I'm not the same. I'm like, I'm not gonna spend every penny counts in Ratchet and Clank. And I'm like, I'm just gonna wait for the boxes to give me free ammo.
You're actually getting a lot of money.
This is the point. This is why I can play games like World of Warcraft, because I have to complete like all the quests everywhere.
You have to destroy all the lamps as well, don't you?
Yeah.
The street lamps.
Ryan was telling me about the when I went to go pick up the PS3. He was telling me about the new DLC.
Yeah.
Apparently it's bugged out already.
Yeah. I tried to play
You
it.
let him get away. Did you see that? You.
I tried to play it last night and they wouldn't let me.
Apparently, like the things won't create, the garrisons won't create, or the instances won't create.
Yeah. Garrisons are a piece of shit.
He was telling me about it, and he's like, "Oh, everyone has their own instance now." I was
Yeah.
like, what?
It's basically a personalized instance where you can go in. You know, like RuneScape with houses.
No, because no one plays RuneScape, and
You
no one
never
ever
used to
did.
play RuneScape.
No.
RuneScape was the shit.
I think I looked at it once, and then I was like, no.
RuneScape was the shit. Dude.
RuneScape was not the shit. I hate people that are still like, oh yeah, RuneScape for life. Like, fuck you, who's still playing RuneScape?
What? Do people still play it?
Yeah!
Really?
It's got like a huge fan base.
Dude, I played it not too long ago.
Why?
I don't know.
It's awful.
Well, it's a great game.
No.
Of course you're gonna step on the bombs. Of course.
You get spin shot.
You're getting him.
What the hell?
Decker. Yeah,
Don't step on that.
there you go.
Oh, and he died.
I had to do it as soon as he said don't step on that. I was just like, I won't step, I'll jump.
You gotta get that gravity going for it as well. Oh boy, this is gonna be a long series.